Wow, it looks so fancy. It's huge. In 10 minutes, wrinkles appear reduced. It's a bit scary because I'm filming at night time and I don't know, I keep hearing noises and I don't like it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I'm wearing the same stuff as my PR haul because I can't bother getting changed just for the sake of this little video. So today's video I'm going to be showing you what is inside my British Beauty box, which is a brand new monthly subscription box that is on the market. It comes every 3 months and it's full of 5 full size, so none of them little travel malarkey things that you use once or twice and then it's over and done with. 5 full size products from British brands that you know and love. So today I'm going to be showing you what's inside their first ever box and I'm so excited. If you watch me on my Instagram, I did open this and I've had so many comments for you for me to show you what's inside it and do a full video on it. So as you request, here I am. So I'll tell you a little bit about the beauty box to begin with. So like I said, it's 5 full-size surprises from luxury British brands. Yeah, like I said, it comes every 3 months. You can pay £25 per month and receive your box every 3 months, or you can pay £50 every 3 months, which saves you 30%, or you can pay a one-time payment of £175 and receive it for a full year. They also have dollar prices on there as well, so I'm assuming you can get that overseas. And it says in the first year of subscribing, you receive a free box as well, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, and they also have, which I think is absolutely genius, they have a little gift bag inside every box. So if there's something that you don't feel like you particularly want to try, or it's not really your cup of tea, or you've tried it before and you don't really like it, then you can put it inside the gift bag and give it to a loved one, a family member, take it to a charity. Like I like to donate quite a lot of my things there, like to kind of like my sister's place and places like that. So yeah, I'm going to be going through what is in the first ever box. So the total of this box worth is £128.94, and it has, like I said, 5 full-size products inside. It does come up a lot nicer wrapped in this, but I've already ripped into it because I was just too excited. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm going to go through the order that comes on the little list that comes with inside the box, tell you a bit more about the products. So the first thing we have is the Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Night Pads, and this is apparently their global bestseller. It's a supercharged 3-in-1 micro exfoliant to calm and soothe the skin, and to cleanse and exfoliate and resurface the skin as well. So I'm really excited to try that. That's 60 pads as well. So say if you use maybe one a night, then that's like over 2 months. Depends what month you're in. 2 months worth of stuff. And that retails for £14.95. Next up we have the Arc Skincare Pre-Cleanse and Makeup Remover, which is vegan friendly, and it's meant to dissolve every last bit of grim, excess sebum and makeup whilst deeply nourishing your skin with a soothing blend of natural ingredients, and this retails for £30. Like, you know me, I'm not a big skincare person, so like this better be good for £30. But obviously we didn't get it for £30 anyway, we paid a lot less for the full box, but still £30 really. And you can buy that on the Arc Skincare website if you wanted to buy more afterwards. BYBI? Is that how you pronounce it? This is the BYBI Balm, which is a natural beauty balm. It says a multi-purpose beauty balm to moisturise, soothe, firm and rejuvenate. It can be used top to toe for instant illumination, all day radiance. That sounds really, really nice. How much does that retail for? That retails for £18. Let's have a little look. Oh, the packaging's lovely. Oh my god, I really like that. Let's have a sniff. I always like to have a sniff. Oh god, it's really, oh my god, it's really firm. That's probably because it's a balm. Well, no. No shit, Lucy, no shit. Oh my god. Ah! Okay. Ooh, that feels lovely. Ooh, it does give you a nice glow. Ooh, well, that smells nice. So this can be used as a rich moisturiser at night time, or it can be used as a glossy lip balm, or a cheek highlighter, or eyebrow gloss, or hand cream. So yeah, really, really multi-purpose. Love products like that, and that retails normally for £18. And then we have a product from Manuka Doctor, and I've actually never tried any of these brands. I've tried a couple of, maybe one thing of the Nip and Fab thing before, but I'm not sure. I do have their foundation and lipstick to try out, so let me know when we do a review video on that, like a first impressions. But yeah, I've never really tried any of these brands really. So the Manuka Doctor product is up next, and this is their Radiance Serum, and this retails for £18.99, and it's meant to boost your skin's radiance and give an immediate illuminating effect in just 10 minutes. Wrinkles appear reduced, skin feels firmer and young looking. In 10 minutes, wrinkles appear reduced. And last but certainly not least, and I think this is kind of like the bad boy of the box, this is like the big one we've all been waiting for. This is the Hardie Moringa, is that how you pronounce it? Cleansing balm with dual action cleansing cloth. And this is the 100g version, so this retails for £47. And it's a purifying cleansing balm that removes all traces of face and eye makeup. And apparently it deeply cleanses your pores, as well as balancing, hydrating and moisturising all skin types. I'm literally like a micellar water and cotton pad kind of gal to take off my makeup when I remember to do it. I'm really bad at skincare, which is why oh my god, this looks so fancy, this looks so posh. I'm not like a looking after my skin kind of person, and I wish I was, but like I'm just not interested in it, which is why I've never ever done like a nighttime skincare routine video. I've kind of done one before, but it's more like a pamper version, because like it wasn't a true representation of like what I actually do in a nighttime, which is literally take my makeup off with micellar water and that's it. Like I don't even put moisturiser on, nothing. Like I'm so bad. And I think I'm not taking all of the makeup off. I know for a fact I'm not taking all the makeup off because the micellar water can't be taken all off. Everyone's told me that it doesn't, so hopefully something like this and also the other one as well will help me to up my makeup remover skills. So we have the professional cleansing cloth. Can you tell that I went to speech therapy when I was a child? Which looks really professional. And then let's have a look. Wow, it looks so fancy and it's huge. It's massive, but it's not heavy. Like it's heavy enough for you to know that it's luxurious, but it's not heavy enough where you're like, God, is there any need for it to be that heavy? It smells very spa, luxurious. I love that it's even got like the EH on like the little thing that you throw away. Like, oh my god, I just realised what the noise is. I put the washer on. I'm not gonna die, guys. I'm not dying, not today. So that is everything that I got in the first ever British beauty box, and I'm so excited to kind of come on a bit more of a skincare journey. That's my next drawer to start out my bedroom as well, so I'm hoping that I'm going to up my skincare game, and I look forward to hopefully trying this box again in the future. Thank you so much for sending this across to me, and if you want to ask any questions about the British beauty box, please leave them down below and I'll try and answer as many as I possibly can for you. Thank you so much for watching. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays at 6 PM. I'll hopefully see you in that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you then. Fingers crossed. Bye guys, love you, bye. Don't forget to subscribe and to give this video a thumbs up. Goodbye.